There are many different kinds of living beings in this world. Each one has a purpose and a destiny. Every living being has a purpose to their existence. Whether it be the animals in the forest, the fish in the sea, or human beings. All have purpose. All are a part of an integrated living system, a wholeness of existence. Even the planet itself has a purpose and is part of a complex of heavenly bodies, a part of a solar system, which is part of a complex of stars, a universe. There are different galaxies. So every living being is a part of a system of wholeness of life. From the vastness of galaxies to the stars in the heavens, the sun, the planet, to the animals in the forest, to the fish in the sea, and to you. Each and every one is a part of a whole. And there is purpose to the diversity of life. Life is not a meaningless, random mistake. Life is a flow of consciousness, of being, a flow from the universal source through the 5 elements into complex manifestation that we know as the physical universe. And from that complex manifestation comes that which we know as the psychic universe, the mental universe, the ideas, beliefs that you carry in your mind, that you share with others, forming the collectivity of your culture, the vast stored body of knowledge of human society, the knowledge of all living beings. All of this forms a wholeness, a unitary existence, with each part having its place, its dharma, its important space held within the complex wholeness of being. When you discover your dharma, your place, and you live in harmony with your own personal truth, with the purpose of your life, then your life takes on significance. It takes on meaning. And you feel that harmony with your own self. When you lose that connectedness to your dharma, to your unique purpose in this life. You begin to feel lost, out of sorts. You come to feelings that life is meaningless, has no purpose. You become despondent. But when you find that deep flow within yourself, and you come in connection to your own life purpose, then something else happens. A vitality flows in you, because when you are connected to your life purpose, when you are connected to the roots of your own being, to the purpose of your existence in this complexity of life, energy flows naturally through you. Vitality flows naturally through you. You have found your place, you found your way. And there is a certain dynamism that flows from that, because you are connected to the cosmic whole. All beings are part of one eternal flow. And when you align yourself with that eternal flow, through stepping into your own purpose, your own meaning, your own dharma, then you feel that wave of harmony with the universe, as if you are in attunement. Then the actions that you take come easily. They seem to flow naturally, in alignment. And then many things can happen without you attempting to control or guide them. When you are in harmony, that universal energy begins to guide you. And as you listen carefully within, that guidance moves you. And your life begins to have a rhythm, a flow, a natural movement. You see, there are two ways to live your life. One is to try to be the master of everything around you, to try to be in control. And push your will upon the world. The other is to listen within and to surrender, to let go in the harmony of life, finding the rhythm and flow of your own destiny and your own purpose, your dharma. Listening to the waves of the soft whispers of divine guidance. Then you find that you are guided and your rhythm becomes in harmony with the rhythm of life. That process is not one of control. It is one of attunement, listening, and surrender. It may not always look the way you had planned, the way you had thought it might look. Sometimes life might be difficult, sometimes very easy. But you find that there is a pattern, a flow that you can follow. And that flow leads to harmony. That flow leads to peace within you. That flow leads to a deep love that you have within you for all beings and for your own self. These types of feelings of compassion, loving kindness, caring feelings, they are natural. They come when there is attunement, when there is harmony with your Dharma, when you begin to feel connected to a universal source. Then you find those aspects of that cosmic source reflecting in your mind, in your intentions, in your desires. And you become more in harmony with all life. So when you find your own Dharma, your own purpose, for all beings have a purpose to life, when you find your own Dharma, then you naturally flow into your universal Dharma, into Bhagavat Dharma, into your human Dharma, and you move towards the light. This is the natural rhythm and flow of life. People, when they become discouraged, when they cannot find this natural flow, they turn to drugs and alcohol. They turn to addictions of various kinds to try to drown the pain of the disharmony they feel. But there is only one true cure, and that is to find your harmony, to find your purpose, to connect to your Dharma, and through that to the universal Dharma, to your connection to the source of all being. All right?